Hello, 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 and thank you. Thank you so much for allowing me to share my knowledge about singing and about life. I also want to let you know I have a masterclass. It's going to be at the end of August 2024. There's only 15 slots. So you can DM me and just say, I'd like to know about the masterclass, okay? And as soon as I'm ready to give you some information, I'm going to send it out. But also, I have a free lesson and free warm-up exercises for you if you'd like them. So DM me for either one or go to marquitawaters.com and just put in either masterclass or warm-ups. Either one, okay, or both. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're going to go into the video. Bye-bye.
Hello, hello, and hello. Woo! It is such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Oh, such a day. That is so much fun. Oh my gosh. How you doing today? I hope you're doing really well. I hope you're singing a lot. And if you're not a singer, welcome. Today, we're going to talk about, well, getting rid of a singer. Now, what do I mean by getting rid of a singer? Well, I'm going to tell you, okay? There are three things along. I kind of like threes, you know? So the thing is that, and I said this in another video, that we love singing with the artist, right? We love singing with them. Now, when we're learning a song, you're singing along with the artists, and you go back and reference them, and you go back again and listen. Oh, wait, I got to get that part. Well, get rid of that singer as soon as possible if you want to be the singer. All right? That's your first step. Yes, it's great to learn. Yes, it's good. Get the words down, you know. Make sure that you're not worrying about the words. You might have to go back and reference. But as soon as you do know the song, you know, you got to get rid of the singer. And there's reasons for that. Now, I'm going to talk to you about number one, the not listening anymore, okay? Letting go. Stop listening and finding your groove. You see, when you let go of the singer, the first thing, you listen and it's great. But then you let go. You listen, then let go. When you let go, you're finding how you want to sing the song. You know, I sang Flowers. I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. Yeah, right. Say things you don't understand. You know, does that sound like her? Yeah, does that sound like Miley Cyrus? No, listen to her sing. I'm singing totally different. Why? Because I let her go. Because if I didn't let her go, I would have been remembering how she sang it, and I would start singing it just like her. You know? You don't want to do that because she's not you. Oh. I want to sing like the singer. I want to sing like hoo-hoo. I want to sing like woo-hoo. You know, no. You want to sing like you. So as soon as you let go, now you did listen. That's number one, you got to listen. Number two, you got to let go and find your groove. Now, I did it different tempos. I changed up the ending. I just didn't do love me better. I can love me better, baby. I didn't. I sang by myself. There weren't background singers. Yeah, I can love myself better. Now that's how I did it because that's what I felt. How are you going to do the songs? After you let go. Be creative. Allow your creative juices to start just imagining. Okay, so yes, listen, then let go. And I have number 3 here, be the singer. Okay? Now you're going to be the singer. And I mentioned here, excuse me, darling, the phrasing. Oh, before I say anything, you need to leave comments, okay? And tell me about your voice. You could subscribe too. That wouldn't hurt. Okay? Go to marquitawaters.com. Get a hold of me. Let me know what's happening with your voice. Let me help you with your voice. Okay? All right. So now, number 3, your phrasing. If you're going to be the singer, you don't want to phrase like that singer. And so you want to change things up. You want to change where your breathing is. Maybe you want to breathe at another spot. Okay, then also your sound. How do you want to sound? You keep listening to that singer. You're going to phrase like them. You're going to breathe like them. You know, you're shaking your head. You're thinking, yeah, that's what I do. I phrase it just like they do. After I said this, you're going to sing songs and you're going to realize I do exactly what they do. And then you're sounding like you're imitating them. So many singers come in and things change with the other singer that they're singing, or they're trying to emulate that sound. You want your own. You want to build your sound up, so you don't want to be singing like them. You might have a similar sound, but you're not trying to sing like them. And then the last thing is the riffing. You know, there's riffs in songs that they do at the ends of things or in between some phrase. No, you don't want to phrase like them. You don't want to riff like them. You don't want to breathe like them. Well, maybe you have to. And you don't want to phrase like them. You want to do it as you would do. I'm always saying, you make it your own. And that's what you want to do. You don't want to be following, because that's what you're going to do. You keep listening to that singer and you're trying to learn the song and you're going to go record it, or you're going to, you're going to be singing it for friends. You're going to sing it like them. But I don't sing it like the artist. I'll sing it different because I know who I am as a singer. And that's what I teach my students. I teach them how to do it differently. I said, wait a second. Why don't you go up there as opposed to down? Why don't you sing a high note over here as opposed to a low note? Well, the singer did it that way. Well, I don't care what they did. Who cares what they did? What are you going to do? Sing a high note. Try this out. I'll sing a phrase and say, here, this is a different way of doing this song. Try this out. And a lot of times they go, I never thought about that, because they've only listened to that singer and didn't progress further to put the singer aside, listening, yes, let it go. And then 3, be the singer. That's the process that you have to go through. You don't want to just keep going and sing exactly like them, because you never find out who you are as a singer, your style. And my students do that. They find out who they are and they sing it like them. Yeah, sing it your way. Sing it the way you like it. Now, caveat, okay? Here is the caveat. You must keep certain things. And they're crucial in the songs, they're crucial. And so you don't want to leave them out. There's certain things like the hook. You're going to have to do it like that, because everybody's going to say, oh, yeah. And it sits in the gut. It's like, it's just that relief. Yeah, that's the song. So you didn't change it that much, but you changed it enough that it became your own. Or you did a totally different take on it. You decided, no, this is a totally different thing. And people go, wow, I really like that. That's different. I really like how you did it. Now, some people are not going to like it. Some people, you changed it. The artist did it that way. You changed that note. That's how they sang it. Well, great. Go listen to the artist. Okay? All right? But not you. You do it specifically the way and the way that you know you should be. Let it go, let it go. You know, just let it go and let it be you now. Okay, that's what I have to share. So don't forget, you need to subscribe and you need to ring the bell. But most of all, I want to hear a comment from you. I want to know what you're thinking. Okay? And if you are somebody looking to improve, please get a hold of me. I'm a singer, and I'm a musician-singer. I've been singing for a long time. I've written that book on singing. And I know what you go through when you sing. I know how it feels to hurt your voice. I know what it feels like to, have a problem trying to get a certain area in a song. I know what it is for beginner singers to be afraid of singing out. I've had vocal problems. I've said this before. I had nose, broken blood vessels. The doctors, they bruised my vocal folds. And look it. I will not grow weary, Lord. Woo! I'm singing strong. And that's it with you. There will be setbacks with your singing. There will be setbacks with you trying to make the song your own. It's okay. Don't give up. Keep going. That's what we got to do. That's what I'm doing. Okay? So follow my lead. I'm an elder here, and I'm saying you can do it. You can be the best you if you do the work. Okay? All right. Well, it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Did I hit that note? I did. It sort of was weird, but I hit it. Okay, there you go. Bye.